phone.
I'm not going to give you your
Give
phone.
me my phone right now, and I
not
need to
gonna
call
give you
my
your phone.
lawyer right now and my dad.
Okay.
My
Well,
dad
that's
needs
not
to know
happening.
what the is going on
Okay,
right now,
that's
and you're
not
not
happening.
bringing me in for another one
Okay.
bullshit thing that you need to
So listen.
clock in for.
So
Date the 10th of February 2026. Location Key West, Florida. Incident, hit and run, and DUI investigation.
Yes, Officer Osborne with the Key West Police Department.
Okay.
You doing all right?
Yeah.
Okay. You have an ID on you?
Yes.
All right. Is this your vehicle?
Yes.
Registered to you?
Yes.
Okay.
Why are you here?
Okay. Just step out the vehicle for me, okay? So we can speak.
Why would I speak to you right now?
Okay. So right now we're investigating a hit and run, okay? So I just want to speak to you outside of your vehicle so you can explain to me what you remember or whatever happened, and then we can go from there. It doesn't have to be a hit and run. It could be a traffic crash if you're wanting to exchange information. So if you don't mind providing me with your license, registration, and insurance.
First of all, I have nothing to speak to you.
Okay.
Second of all, I'm not running of anything.
Okay, well, you're not free to leave, so
Third, what are you searching for?
I'm not searching, I am investigating.
Okay.
There's a difference. You're not going to close the door unless you're just going to go in cuffs, okay? I'm giving you a verbal command to provide me with
Do you have a warrant?
I don't need a warrant to speak to you. I'm investigating
Investigate
a traffic
what?
crash, more so a hit and run, okay?
Of
What
what?
she say she had damage at?
In the back of her vehicle.
Hit and run with
Okay.
what?
Check the front of hers.
Yeah, her front right headlight is completely checked.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to explain this to you one more time. You are not free to leave. I need
Okay,
your license.
okay, let me close your mic.
Okay, close it. If you walk away, you're going in cuffs, okay? It's going to be that simple.
Okay, I haven't
We
not
can put-
done
no,
it.
you're not going anywhere, okay? Listen, don't leave it. Listen, look at me. Look at me.
Look at me for what?
Do you want to go to jail?
For what?
For a hit and run.
Hit
You
and
crashed
run
into
of
someone's
what?
car and didn't stop. Okay,
You're
all right.
fucking crazy.
That's fine. We can play that game then. It was that easy. All you had to do was give me your stuff, all right? Listen.
I live like in this.
I know, that's
home.
fine. The thing about it is you're sitting here laughing, okay? I'm usually not like this. I'm simply trying to investigate this and just turn it into a traffic crash. But you don't want to give me your information. All I needed was your
What
license.
information? You didn't ask?
I did. I said license, registration,
But
and
you
insurance.
didn't give me a chance?
I gave you a chance, but you
When?
wanted to pull your
Give you
phone
multiple
out.
chances, man.
And I warned you, and then you tried to close your door on me, and I sat there politely and requested these documents. It could have been that simple. So are you willing to give me those documents?
I have everything in my car.
So if I take these handcuffs off you, are you going to give me the documents?
Sure.
Because if not, I'm just going to
But
plain
I'm
take
not
you to jail.
criminal, but you just
Yeah,
did.
but the
So-
thing is I'm giving you commands, and you're refusing to obey my commands
Out
as a
of
law
nowhere,
enforcement
you
officer. Okay, like I told you, I'm investigating a traffic crash, okay? So if I remove the cuffs, are you going to give me your
You do whatever
your
you
documents?
need to do. The car is there.
Okay.
And my house is right there, next behind me. You do whatever
Okay, so I'm going to take the cuffs off you,
Sure.
and then I'm going to need you just to give
you
me the
do
information.
whatever you need to
And then
do.
we go from there, all right?
Sure, you
Okay.
do whatever you need to do. This is very, very random.
It's not random.
It is random.
We're not here for no reason.
I'm not here for a reason as well.
So I simply was
I'm
asking
not here
you
for a reason,
for your
sir.
license, registration, explain
You
to
do whatever you
why
need to
I am
do.
here.
You didn't
Okay.
explain me to go.
So,
You
okay,
didn't
listen.
explain me to. You just randomly came at me
Okay.
to get whatever you need
Go
to
ahead
do.
and give me your license, registration, insurance, please. All right.
Did you guys call me from somewhere?
No, we got a call about your vehicle.
From who?
Somebody called saying that you
That's very personal.
personal.
You know?
How?
I don't know. You tell me.
I don't know. I didn't say it. You said it was personal, so I'm trying to
But
I'm trying to understand where you're
sounds
coming
like
from.
a person. If there's like a 3 vehicles of like a police, it has to be a personal thing.
Like
I
personal,
live like right here.
like personal against you.
I don't know.
You think like so you're saying like we're coming for you? I don't see how
I
that
have
could be.
nothing to do with nobody.
Right, but
I'm
again,
new in this neighborhood.
okay, I can
So
tell.
what did I do to somebody if I'm
So
new?
what we're investigating is a hit and run. A hit and run means you.
Okay.
Can I
You go check in my
can I
car?
explain to you, please?
Sure,
What's your name, Giovanna, right?
yes.
Can I explain it to you without you interrupting me?
Sure.
Okay, so a hit and run is, in simple words, when you collide into something or another vehicle and you leave without providing information.
You have
Okay.
a body
Yep, that's why it's blinking.
camera,
That's why it's blinking red.
sir, Mr. Osborne.
Yes.
You have a camera there.
Okay.
So you know who the run is.
I
I'm
do.
not the running person.
You are.
So you have your bunny, you have it in camera.
Okay.
So you investigate your camera, who the running person
I don't investigate my camera.
is.
I investigate what
I
information
know my
is provided
rules
to
and
me.
my laws in this US.
You know your
A.
rules and your laws? I think this isn't a rule or law thing. This is a traffic crash. So right now we are investigating that due to the fact that someone isn't just going to call and say that their vehicle got struck and give your license plate and the description of your vehicle. You know, I
do
don't
whatever
think
you need to do.
I will.
I will do whatever it needs to take to defend myself. And you have a camera there.
For sure.
I
That's
know that.
why it's blinking red.
You
We're
do
required
your
to
thing,
have it on.
I'll do my thing.
Yes, ma'am.
So what's next?
What's next is just we're doing a traffic crash right now, as I've explained.
Okay, yep, here's some glass over here.
She kind of angled in here. Like I thought she was going to pull into the drive.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much.
Sure.
Yeah, so she definitely hit that trailer.
I wanted to be a police in
Did
1
you?
year, but I don't think I would consider that career anymore.
I understand. A lot of people just don't understand the circumstances
No,
of...
I'm more like a human being
Right.
and the right. But I think in my career, I'm probably not looking for that area anymore.
Hey, to each his own, you know.
It's such a
It's not what you see on TV.
no.
You
I'm
know.
living the reality right
But
now.
yeah, this is realistic.
It's
When
just like
people don't listen to the commands that officers give,
no.
then we have to act in such way, you know.
Yeah.
I was quite polite with you.
I'll be honest with you.
But they're
I'm an
investigating
American.
something.
US
That's fine.
American.
And I didn't treat you like you weren't. I can care less if
no,
you were or you
but
weren't.
you could cuff me, and
know.
you did.
I know, because I have the right to. When you're
You
refusing,
have the right
when you're
to
refusing to
because
obey my verbal commands, I have the right to put you in handcuffs.
You have the
Anything else?
power over everything else.
I don't.
You do. Because they're giving it to you over your power, and you're working for it. Is it worth it?
Excuse me?
Is it worth it?
Excuse me?
Is it worth it?
Is it worth what?
Your peace.
My peace? I have peace every night. I sleep very well after a shift.
So you have a trailer over there? So here's a trailer. There's glass like right there, right on the corner. Looks just like that glass over there. So, okay, just stay right here. Stay right here. Stay right here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Stay over here, please.
Don't touch me.
Stay over here, please.
Don't touch me.
Stay over here, please.
Do not.
Stay over here, please. Stay over here.
Why
Just
are
stay
you-
right here.
Why
Because
you're,
I'm telling you to stay here.
But why
okay?
are you pushing me?
Because
I
you're
wanna
not
close
listening.
my door.
Okay.
Why
I'm telling
are
you to stay
pushing
here.
me? You're a f***ing man of your words.
What?
Go f*** yourself. You belong over there. I just wanted to close my door.
Okay. So you could have said that. But I told you to stay
Man
here.
of a man of the law.
Okay, I'm just
This is how it looks.
We got a lot of time.
Just
You're gonna come
relax.
over here. You're gonna sit here.
Give this officer your phone number.
You're
Put
gonna
your
stop
phone down.
calling people on your phone.
I know, but
done
my
with
dad
that.
is this.
Okay.
I don't care.
house.
So just
Dad
give
is-
him your phone
give me
number,
your
I
phone
please.
know.
Stop with the phone.
I know,
Stop.
but
What is your
like,
phone
Stop.
number?
I don't know. I need my dad
You
has
don't know
no
your
my no
phone
my
You don't know your phone number?
No, my dad has no my
Okay, so
number.
you can pull up your phone.
Yes.
You can pull up your
But
phone
let
number
me-
on your phone. Don't
yes,
call your
but
dad.
let me. I have to
Okay.
call him
No.
because it doesn't know my.
That you will look it up on this. Don't
I
don't
need
pull
to-
my thumb. Don't pull my thumb. Okay? Stay right here. You can look it up in your phone
Okay, but I
under
need
my
to call
settings.
him.
You don't need to
Like
call
he-
anybody.
He's
No.
like right here. This is my
Okay.
house,
Okay, well we're not calling
and
him
I
right now.
park here all every time.
Okay, so you don't know your phone number is what you're saying. Is that correct?
I
But-
can also just get it later.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Okay, I'll get it later. No big deal.
Listen to me. Okay? I need you to relax and I need you to just listen.
No, I
please.
don't need to
Okay.
relax. You're accusing
Okay.
me of something that I never
Okay,
done,
so listen.
and you're following me with like with 3 police cars that I never
Okay,
done.
so listen. That's Officer Florence, the one
I
who
don't
just
give
spoke.
a who the f
Okay,
is.
so again, listen. He explained to you the crash scenario. So now his crash investigation is over. Okay?
Okay, and
Okay.
what does that
So
have to do
now-
with me?
Now we're going to start a different investigation. Okay?
Oh, so this is your whole plan of the entire time?
Just wait right here for a second. Stay over here. Stay over here.
Yeah.
Stay over here.
Can't you listen to simple instructions?
Just stay here.
Okay,
please.
I'll stay here.
Okay?
I don't want it.
So right here. Just stay right there.
I'll stay here.
Just
Why
stay right
you have
there.
to call
Just stay right
your
there.
manager?
Because you're not listening. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand these rights I've explained to you?
No, I have a lawyer that needs to talk to you.
Okay, so do you understand these rights I've explained to you?
I have a lawyer.
Okay, so that's not the question. The question is if you understand your rights that I've
No, my
explained to
lawyer
you.
will talk to you.
Okay, so I'm going to assume that you do understand and you know you want to talk to a lawyer, so you don't want to talk to us right now.
My lawyer will talk to you.
Okay. So
Can
you
I
don't
have
want to
your
answer
card?
any questions?
Can I have this card?
No, you can't have
Do you
that
even
card.
know this law by heart?
So listen.
No. Can I have your card then?
No, you can't. Okay.
No, then.
So you don't want to answer any of my questions or talk to
Can
me?
I go
Is
to
that
sleep
correct?
now?
No, you're not free to go. So you don't want to answer any of my questions or talk to me?
No. Maybe tomorrow when I speak to my lawyer, he'll speak
Okay.
to you.
What do you have in your hand there? Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Do you want anything else to go with you to the jail out of your car? Do you want
No, I
anything
don't
else
know
out
what
of
else
your
you
vehicle?
need for me to go to the jail that makes you money.
Nothing's going to make me money. Please, have a seat.
Oh, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
So
Have a seat.
romantic. I will need my phone and call my father.
Okay, you'll be allowed to make a phone call in a little bit.
I need to call him
Well, that's not happening.
now and let him know what the
Well, it's
is
not
going
happening.
on because none of this
Well,
shit
that's
is
not
going
gonna
on.
happen.
You tell me another thing and you tell me
Okay, so listen.
there's another thing and
Listen.
you're bringing me here like on jails like I'm a criminal.
So
no,
listen, you said-
please give me my
Listen,
phone.
I'm not going to give you your
Give
phone.
me my phone right now.
You're
I
not
need to
gonna
call
give me
my
your phone.
lawyer right now and my dad.
Okay.
My
Well,
dad
that's not
needs to know
happening.
what the is going on
Okay,
right now.
that's
And you're
not
not
happening.
bringing me in for another one
Okay.
bullshit thing that you need to
So listen.
clock in for.
So listen, you see this
No.
line right here and these
I don't give
spots?
a fuck what the fuck
So
is.
that is
I
to
need
do
call my
field sobriety
dad
exercises,
right now.
Okay, stay seated, please.
No, I'm sitting.
Thank you. Okay.
I'm sitting.
So, you
I'm sitting,
understand?
Sir, Andrade,
Okay. So you understand?
I understand.
Okay, good.
So there's no choice to my lawyer or my dad.
When we're done, yes,
No,
you were
before.
going to be afforded
No, I wanted to
opportunity
speak to my dad
to
before
call.
I die. That you have to tell me all the things that I have to do here. I would like to say goodbye at least to my dad.
Okay, like I said, when we're done, you're going to be afforded to call whoever you wish.
And
If
why,
that's your
when
dad,
we're done, why not now?
because
to say,
that's not how it works.
so I want to call him now and tell me what I should be doing now because apparently you're doing something the opposite. Something that I have not done. I'm in here in Cubs, which is something incorrect. Sir, Mr. Andrade.
What's that now?
Yeah.
You had a question? Go ahead.
No, never
Oh,
have
no?
a question.
Okay, okay.
Just observing you with your own cuteness.
Legal Principle 1 Lawful Detention. Under Terry v. Ohio 1000, 968 law enforcement may detain an individual based on reasonable articulable suspicion of criminal activity. Pursuant to Pennsylvania v. Mims, 1,977 officers possess the absolute constitutional authority to order any occupant out of a lawfully stopped vehicle for safety purposes. Legal Principle 2, Statutory Duty to Identify. Florida Statutes Section 322.15 and Section 316.062 strictly mandate the exhibition of a driver's license and vehicle information during crash investigations. Constitutional privacy protections do not negate these statutory reporting duties. Refusal to provide documentation upon lawful demand constitutes an independent legal violation. Legal Principle 3, Obstruction. Attempting to terminate a lawful detention by physically closing a vehicle door violates Florida Statute Section 843.02, resisting an officer without violence. This overt physical act of noncompliance provides probable cause for arrest and legally justifies the immediate application of mechanical restraints.
Do whatever you need to do.
Okay, I need you to
I'm
sign
being
these.
accused for things
Yes,
that I have
exactly.
never
You're being accused. Okay,
done.
you're not being convicted. Okay, that's not this.
But
That's
why
not
are
this
they
right here.
accusing calling me.
Okay.
I need to get in contact with
We're not
this
going to
person
go.
that
You will have that
run.
opportunity, okay?
Gonna run from what?
You will have that opportunity. Right now, you're being charged, and these are the charges.
What am I being charged
I
for?
already
I
went
came
over it
from
with you
work
numerous times.
home.
Okay, we're not going to litigate it here.
I have a need to speak to my dad. He's a lawyer, and if he says sign this document,
Okay,
then
so your
I
dad
will
isn't
sign.
here right now.
Okay.
You're an adult.
No.
The decision is yours.
Okay, no, but
Okay.
I need to speak to him. I need to
So
speak to
you're not going to
somebody
speak
right
to anybody right now. Right now, you're going to
now.
make the
I need to
decision
speak
of
to
either signing or not
somebody
signing.
right now.
Okay, so
I'd
you're
like
going to
know.
sign them?
I don't know yet. But
Okay, no,
can
we're
you
not going to
tell
do
me-
this. We're not going to. Give me those
Please,
papers.
sir.
Give me those
Sir.
papers. Give them to me. Are you
Hold
going to
on.
sign them? Yes or
Hold
no?
on. Hold
Yes
on.
or no?
Maybe. I don't
No,
know.
not maybe. Yes or no?
Stand by.
Hold on.
5, 4. I'm counting down to 1.
What
Once I
is
get to
this?
1, I'm going to assume that you're not going to sign them
But
because we've been
hold
standing
on,
here
I'm
for
just
5
asking a
minutes.
question.
Legal Principle 4 Invocation of Counsel per Davis versus United States 1994, an unambiguous demand for an attorney immediately halts custodial interrogation under the Fifth Amendment. However, invoking the right to counsel does not pause an active roadside investigation, exempt a subject from lawful commands, or grant immediate access to a telecommunications device. Legal Principle 5 Implied Consent. While field sobriety exercises are voluntary in Florida, the refusal to perform them is legally admissible as evidence of consciousness of guilt. Furthermore, citing a criminal traffic citation is legally defined as a statutory promise to appear not an admission of guilt. Refusal to sign mandates a physical custodial arrest. Lessons learned effective assertion of civil rights requires precise statutory knowledge. Conflating the Fifth Amendment right to silence with a refusal to fulfill fundamental identification obligations legally guarantees incarceration.